sweating my balls off out in here. It's like fucking 1,000 degrees. Check it out. We fucking got it to work finally. It was a fucking miracle. We had to fucking drill out the holes, make them bigger. It was like a virgin. I had to fucking force mask in there, make the hole bigger. Metal on metal. Little lube action. And I used 2 different fucking size wrenches. And I had to actually stick it in here vertically, perpendicularly. And then I used another thing to make a T and then twisted it. Now we just gotta put on the actual muffler. And we're golden. Like that. Unity. Einity. Rastafari. Every government is illegal on the planet, on the face of this earth.